Here I have Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons functions in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here go to the shooting methods. And here you can change volume buttons function. You can set it to take picture or record video, zoom in or out, or just control system volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.